Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this type of fixed footer using Framer without writing any code. I have also shared a free remix link in the description so you can customize it yourself. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Let's create a project and click this layers, desktop, and click this layout to make it stack. Then create a footer, or you can simply drag and drop Framer's pre-made footer. Click this insert, search for footer, drag and drop it here. But in this video we'll create a custom one because it's very simple and we need to use the height to create a spacer. I'll explain that when we get there. So let's create a footer. For now, press F on your keyboard to add frame, set the width fill, and we will set the height later. Rename this frame to footer, I guess. Make it layout. Press T on your keyboard to add text and write out text. Set the width fill. Increase the font size to 120 and change the weight to bold. Align it left. Duplicate this 3 more times by pressing Ctrl+D. Select all the text and wrap them into another stack by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Enter and double click on it. Name it, I guess, menu. Change the direction to vertical. Click this footer and change the height to fit content. We can change the fill color to white. And now let's update the text. Add some padding, I guess 40. Now let's add icon. These icons. So press F again to add frame. Drag this frame and drop it into the footer. Set the width fill. Rename it to icon. Make it layout. Inside this frame we will add our social icon. Click this Framer icon, plugins, browse all, and search for Framer icons and type Instagram. There is our icon. Drop it here. Increase the size to 24. Change the color to black. Wrap it into another stack. Name it Instagram. Change the width fill to fixed 50 pixel. 50 pixel. Scroll down and change the fill color to this color. Make the radius 999. Now click this icon and remove its fill color. Duplicate this Instagram 4 more times. Now search for Facebook. Twitter, LinkedIn, and finally YouTube. Click this Facebook and drop it here. We can remove the Instagram. Similar on here. Now update the layer name here. Increase the font size to 24. Same on here, 24. And change the fill color to black. Also here, black. Now click this footer and align it end. Right click on it, on this footer. Click this create layout template. Name it again footer and click this placeholder. Press up arrow on your keyboard to appear on top. Perfect. Now let's upload an image here. Name it, I guess, image. Again make it stack and add some content here. Press T again to add text and paste this text. Scroll down, reduce the font size to 46 and change the color to white. Set the width fill. Duplicate this, paste this text increase the font size to 140. Click this image, set the direction vertical and add some padding, I guess again 40 for consistency. Our home page doesn't have enough content to see the fixed footer, so let's add a blank frame like this and set its color to black. We don't need to add this image. It's just a reminder. If you enjoy the video, it would mean a lot if you consider subscribing. So I'm going to wrap this image into a stack, name it container. Inside this container, let's add a blank frame. Drop it here, click here and set the direction vertical. Click this frame, make it fill and change the fill color to black. Name it spacer. Click this container and remove the gap to 0. Let's preview our project. Our footer isn't fixed yet like the project because we need to change its position to fixed. So go to this assets, footer and then click this layers. This is our footer. Change its position to fixed. Now let's preview again. Nothing happened. In fact, it's getting worse because we need to add another spacer with the same height as the footer. So let's add another frame. Fill, remove its color, go to layer, name it spacer and drop it here. Now click this footer, set its bottom position 0. Now let's preview one more time. Still we don't see the result because there's one last simple step, which is click this desktop, container, scroll down, click this styles, Z index and change the value to now it's working, but we forgot to give the spacer the same height as the footer. Go to the spacer, click here and set its height 686, same as this height. Now it's working perfectly. So this is how you can easily create a fixed footer in Framer with just a couple of steps. I'm also sharing a free remix link in the description so you can customize it yourself. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. We will be making more tutorials like this soon, so you won't miss out. That's pretty much it. See you in the next video, inshallah.